title of my game is AKIRAS Descent. It's a standard platformer game, and as you kill each enemy, the difficulty of the game. As you can see, each life gets depleted over by jumping and killing the enemy from the y-axis. And after each kill, the speed of the game increases. Now, there are three classes of enemies. You have the first class, which is a threshold which is reached after the score of 10. Then you have the second enemy class, which is reached after a threshold of 30. But before getting to the game canvas, we have the home page. Now, the home page is a quick layout of what the game is about. You have the title of the game, AKIRAS Descent. Then you have the links to the login page, sign up page, and top score page. Now you have on your home page the hero section, which shows you what the game is basically about. And beneath that section, we have the game control section. Now, for the login page, you have your username and your password. Now, let's say we were to use a username, let's say Anushri. And let's say we just use a simple password of 12345. You can see the password is invalid and the username is also invalid. So this is a login page rather. So first of all, if you don't have an account, you need to go and sign up here. Let's say Anushri again. And password 12345. Go down 12345. What does it say? Password must be at least 8 characters long and contain an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. This is basically the verification that you have a strong password. So let's do that. And exactly, since I fulfilled those requirements, I can now redirect the login page. Let's say we're using somebody that has already previously signed up for this game. I'm trying to log in. It shows you login successful. Then you can start the game. But before that, you can go to top scores, see how everything is laid out. These are previous users who have used the game. As you can see, the outline of the structure of the table on the top score HTML. It uses a very simple interface so as not to allow the game look a bit cluttered. You have the home link that can take you back to the home page. And in each of my pages, I've made sure to embed the home page, which takes you back for easy navigation. Sign up, you have the home page. Login, you have the home page. Top score, you have the home page. And when you start the game, you also have the home page. So, as you can see, this game I've implemented sprite animation and a parallax effect. As you can see from the background, it's moving in the sky.